Hey, Indian actors, it's David Patrick Green here from hackbollywood.com. We're working on our website right now, so don't worry. Very soon we will have all the information you need to have an amazing career in Bollywood. And hey, maybe you can make the leap like people like Priyanka Chopra and end up in Hollywood as well, if you're interested, or maybe China would. Who knows, right? We live in a very global world now, so anything is possible. Anyway, today I just wanted to talk to you about one of the aspects of your acting career that is often overlooked, and that is developing relationships with people in the business. It doesn't matter how you develop these relationships. Whatever you have to offer someone right now is perfectly fine, okay? If you can clean the floors, deliver the mail, distribute the mail, make coffee or tea or what have you, whatever you have within your powers to help somebody else who happens to be in the business, if you can read scripts, if you can write commentary on scripts, maybe you have editing skills, computer programming skills, simple data entry skills, fast typing. Think of all of the typical things that go on in a production office. Don't worry about on the set yet, okay? You don't need to be on the set to start your career out. So think about what goes on in any office and see if there is anything you can do, anything you've done in the past. If you had an office job in the past, that is completely translatable into a production office. It's not a complicated place. They just maybe use different software from what you have used. But if you're a quick learner and you have good keyboard and computer skills, you could probably pick up being an office person, a production assistant who drives things around, takes, tapes if they still use tapes, or, has to deliver things back and forth, kind of a gopher type thing, going for things, picking up equipment. Oh, we forgot one of the charging stations for the camera batteries. Who knows? And you just hop in a car and drive over to the equipment store and you pick it up and you bring it back. It's that simple. So think of the things that you can do to help out a production office, and ideally if you can give these services away for free, just whatever availability you have, the more availability you have, the faster you will get to know these people and they will bring you into their circle of trust. Okay, you want people to know, like, and trust you. And when they do, then when you are ready with your acting skills, if you're ready now, great. Or if you're still in training or thinking about developing your acting skills, then when they like you and they trust you, you can say, hey, I read a role that I think I might be right for, and I've been taking my dance classes and I've been working out and I've been practicing my acting. I think I could do this part. And if they already like you, then they will be behind you. They will want to help you. And that's exactly how I got my start on the #1 show on television, was helping out some casting directors, and eventually when a role came around that I thought I would be right for, I suggested myself and they said, okay, you can read for it. And of course I knew they kind of wanted to return some of the help I'd given them, so they gave me the part, and that was the start of my career. And now I've been in 6 recurring television shows, multiple blockbuster movies like X-Men Dark Phoenix, X-Men Dark Phoenix, Case 39 with recent Oscar winner Renee Zellweger, and sci-fi shows like The Expanse. If you have seen those, you may see me. All right, guys, that's it for now. I just wanted to, again, get you encouraged and feeling motivated and excited about what is to come, and that is hackbollywood.com. So don't worry, there will be a big announcement. But if in the meantime you're interested in knowing more, go to my other website, hackhollywood.com, and click on the contact me page and send me an email and tell me that you're interested in getting into Bollywood films and television as well. All right, that's it for now, guys. If you like this, please click like, subscribe to my channel, click on the notifications bell so you get notifications. And if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please put them in the comment section below. I will talk to you soon.